Hey guys, Eitan, welcome back to our channel. So they call me Chef Eitan for a reason because I cook for humans. But today, they're calling me Chef Eitan because I'm cooking for my pets. I'm cooking up my pets some gourmet food. We're not talking about the food you buy at the store. We're talking fancy, plated all nice, fresh food for my pets. And now, you may think I only have 2 guinea pigs because those are only animals that are public. But I've actually had another member of my family who has been part of our family for a few months now, but I've kept it a secret until this video. We now have, drumroll please, or I guess you saw it in the thumbnail, a cat. Her name's Oreo. I don't really like the name, but we're gonna go with it because that's what my dad calls her. I wanted to name her Belcalis Almanzar. My dad chose Oreo. He won. I'll tell you guys more about the cat when we go inside. We're gonna go inside. I'll introduce you to them for those who have never met them, and then it's cooking time. All right, welcome to the guinea pig's ginormous home. As you can see, it is lifted up in the ground. It is quite the house. I think this is easily the best guinea pig house on the market these days, estimated to be worth $1 to $2 million. Now, as you can see, it is 16 square feet on the bottom. It is a 4x4, lots of space for them. And on top over here, as you can see where they are right now, is what we call their little terrace, which is where they eat all their food. Right now they're eating hay. This over here is, whoa, he does not like to be touched. This over here is Samosa, who's very sensitive. He does not like to be touched. And right over here is Roti, who just loves to be pet all day long. That's literally his favorite activity. All right, I'm now on the floor of my kitchen with our cat. This is the first time she probably doesn't like I'm talking so loud. This is the first time that we're ever showing the cat on camera ever. Her name is Oreo. She's a little bit shy. Oreo, come here. All right, I don't want to pick her up because she does not like to be picked up. But Oreo, do you want to come say hi to everyone? No? All right, she's not in a talking mood clearly. But little backstory about Oreo. Oreo actually came to our backyard one day. My mom was out there, right? She's gone now. She came to our backyard one day. She was completely starving to death, just skin and bones. My mom's mission in life is to save an animal. And basically we gave her some food to help her. It was very clear she was a stray. We did tons of research to try to find her owner. Long story short, couldn't find an owner. Called all the animal control people we had to try to figure out what to do with her, what the laws are in terms of keeping her. We obviously fell in love with her, so we got her to the vet, got her cleaned up, got her rid of fleas, got all her vaccinations, and long story short, she's our cat now, and we love her, and she gained 4 pounds, I believe, since we've gotten her. She's very healthy, and we just love her. All right, so I'm back in the kitchen. It is now time to cook for them. So, what is on the menu today is first gonna be a bougie as insert whatever word you want, salad for the guinea pigs. So, usually we give them romaine lettuce, but today, no, we're doing fancy. We got some red leaf lettuce here. We got some carrots with the tops on, which they love. We got some dill, which is their favorite thing on the planet, and some other things. So, all right, let's just cut it so it's in some smaller guinea pig bite-sized pieces. Let's start with a bed of this lettuce. Okay, they'll love that. Now, over here we have some mini peppers, which they definitely will love. Just take these and kind of place it all nice and fancy on top. Now, let's take some of our dill. Literally, this is the guinea pig's favorite thing on the planet. We'll open up dill and they'll just start squeaking from the other room. So we're gonna load it with dill. This is their favorite thing on the planet. And finally, let's top it off with some carrot greens. Another one of their favorite things. And bam! That is a monster salad for the guinea pigs. Look at that. We usually give them half this amount of food, but I feel like it's okay if they splurge for once. Okay, it is now time for the cat food. And now I'm thinking we're gonna go a little bit fancy. We're gonna do a tuna tartare placed on top of heirloom tomato slices with a secret topping that is gonna make our cat high. I'll explain when we get to it. Okay, so first up right here I have some 2 cans of tuna. She loves tuna. She has regular cat food, but sometimes she just wants tuna, so we give her tuna. We got our tuna over here, and now we're gonna jazz it up a bit and add in some other fun things to it. So I'm going to cut up some of this carrot. So I kind of want to dice it finely, because she doesn't really eat large food items. All right, so I've now cut these up. They look perfect. But on ching. I'm gonna add them into here. And next up, we're gonna add in something that is called cat grass. I don't know what it is, but I got it from the pet store, and the lady said that cats like to eat it, so let's add in some diced up cat grass. Alrighty, let's add that in, and now let's mix it up, and like I said, it's gonna be kind of like a tuna tartare or a tuna salad. Over here, we gotta do bougie. As I said, it's gonna be gourmet food for my pets. So I got some heirloom tomatoes right over here, and what I'm gonna do to these is I'm going to slice them like this to make a platform for the tartare to go on. All right, let's move this to the side, and it is now plating time. We gotta do the bougiest cat plating of food ever done in the history of the universe. Over here is something that is kind of hilarious. This is called catnip. Catnip is this really interesting herb, I think. Yeah, it's an herb that actually makes cats high, which is kind of hilarious. It's kind of like weed for cats. Yeah, I know, crazy. We have actually a spray of this in our house that we use when we need the cat to go somewhere because she just loves it. And I don't think she's ever had fresh catnip before, so basically my cat's gonna be Snoop Dogg by the end of this. We're gonna do like a little catnip microgreens on top, we're gonna call them to be fancy, on top of there. Then let's do a catnip and what's this called again? Cat grass tossed salad on the side, right over here. Bam! That is how you make some gourmet food for your pets. All right, I'm here with the pigs. They are super ready and hungry to eat this. Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this to the side. Oh, see, Samosa can smell it. And I'm gonna put them down. Oh, let's be careful. On here. Samosa, you sit here. Roti, you sit here. And are you ready? Not chefs. I'm the chef. Okay, Roti, come on. Eat the food, eat the food. All right, guys, what are your thoughts on my meal? I don't think they're gonna talk much. But one thing that is interesting, if you may notice, the thing that they each grabbed first was a piece of dill. As I mentioned, they absolutely love dill. I think they love it. Probably too much food for them, so maybe I'll cut them off after a little bit. But I think this is easily the fanciest, the bougiest guinea pig meal ever created in the entire universe. Guys, do you agree? That was a yes. All right, so we just chased down the cat for the past 20 minutes. Finally got her to sit somewhere. And do you want to try the meal I made for you? Please try it. Try it. It's not her eating time now. Oh. Is she trying it? I think she's trying it. Oh, look who's interested. She's like, what is this? Did she eat it? I think she did. Okay, it's kind of like we're on a nature channel, and I'm like Steve Irwin. It's like I do a terrible impression. All right, today we're in the live. What am I doing? I don't know how to do it. Wait, how do I do an Australian accent? All right, no, whatever. Okay, so today we are in the wild with a not so wild cat having gourmet cat food, and it looks like she's loving it. She already ate most of the top of it. She's been munching on the catnip, and do you have any comments on it? Meow. All right, she doesn't want to talk. She's eating, but let's see how much this she eats. I'm very curious to see. I think it is. She's just licking it. And looks like she is done. All right, well, now that she had some catnip, she's probably gonna take a nap because catnip makes her super high. She's a cat, look it up, it's kind of hilarious. And all right, let's go back in the kitchen to do the outro. I would say it was a major success. All right, there you go. That was me cooking gourmet food for my pets. I think that was a major success. Comment down below what you think. And if you have any pets, I want to hear down below. And I challenge you to also cook some gourmet food for your pets. And if you do, send me a picture of it. I would love to see it. Click that big red subscribe if you haven't already. Be sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed watching. And I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, I'm going to go play with my cat.